Okay, this part is really cool. This was fun to make this piece. But it does go on. Okay, this is how I've done so far. This turbo's just sitting on there. That's where it's gonna sit. Intake's gonna draw over there, and I think the exhaust I'm gonna be able to just drop right down here, no problem. I might have to finagle some wires. I got my gap over here about 1/2 inch. I think I'll just have to put a piece of sheet metal shield probably down there just in case to reflect back some of the radiant heat. I still got to add some straps to pull them cables just a little further away. This side has no clearance issues at all, so yeah, so that's how it sits. When I get a chance later, I'll probably fire it up again to blow out any debris I didn't beat or shake out of there. So it looks pretty cool. I will have to take this piece off anytime I need to service something right back here. I'll probably get to the water pump though, almost. Yeah, pull ain't gonna fall off. But it's just the 3 bolts on each side, and that whole piece comes off. So, pretty solid. Might make a bracket. I should make this bolt probably a little longer, but maybe I can attach a bracket to here. Or I'll weld something to the end here. A bracket.